there is always going to be some misinterpretation, um, some incorrect information or incorrect data or incorrect price points. You know, there's always chance of things not going the way you plan. But in regards, when I'm personally trading in the market, I'm not discouraged by the noise. I'm not discouraged um, by the Ortex or the price predictions or the opinions that are formulated by all the individuals abroad. I'm basically worried about me. So I invest based on my own opinion. I invest based on my own research, and I invest based on basically channels, price action, where the play has been and where the play is projected to go in my own eyes. I'm not discouraged or run out of a play because of what someone else might say. I'm also not discouraged about getting into a play based on what somebody might say. Um, you know, they have all this stuff going on right now with all these different coins, and invest in whatever coin you want. But my only tip to myself is that as long as the price is attractive, affordable, then I can partake. And the reality is that as much money as I waste day to day on everything under the sun, including a million and one things that my kids don't need, I can afford to waste $100 if that's how people want to look at it, or $500, or whatever I can afford to, squeeze out at the time. Right now, like I said before, I only invested a couple $100 and it ran up as high as 475. So you can best believe that I'm going to try and invest a lot more heavily than I have already invested because the price is so attractive. Now, when the price becomes unattractive, that's when the thing will really be out of control because then that's when the real FUD FOMO kicks in. People are really going to be biting nails and upset at themselves and whatnots. And, so like I said, when you're investing, always invest with money that you are prepared to lose. But at the same time, just know that as much money as you waste, you've already lost. So just think, if you're putting a couple dollars that you know you're going to spend on nothing, I mean, at least it's an investment where if you spend a couple dollars and it does run up, you get something back, opposed to having a material item that depreciates in value as soon as you obtain it. So, or buying toys or bikes or gadgets that depreciate in value and break shortly after you buy them because the industry makes items, products, things of that nature to break so that they can continue to sell you a product to continue to make money. It's called a repeat buyer. So, um, try and be a repeat buyer in the market and rinse and repeat. And that way, at least you'll have a profit or gain, which is a monetary gain that is of value that can be used later for one's future, whether it be for, something substantial or just for fun. So, be safe what you invest in, do your research, and get your money.